Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best pressure washer for driveway cleaning. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is Champion Pressure Washer. For washing driveways and other surfaces that require serious power, you need a model like the Champion Power Equipment Commercial Duty Gas Pressure Washer. While not everyone needs such a high level of performance, for those who do, it's hard to beat this professional level machine, with water blasting out at 4,200 psi and 4 GPM, thanks to the premium Champion 389cc engine. Mud, engine grease, paint, mold, and other tough substances don't stand a chance. The pressure washer boasts a 50-foot steel-braided hose that's durable, non-marring, and 3 times more abrasion-resistant than rubber hoses. It has a AAA industrial triplex plunger pump that drives higher pressure to the nozzle for improved cleaning performance. Plus, it has a built-in detergent tank for messes that call for more than water alone. The number 4 on the list is Greenworks Pressure Washer. Will you just need to tackle small jobs with your pressure washer? In that case, a more affordable model like the Greenworks Pressure Washer will serve you just fine. This budget-friendly model dials back the power to 1,500 psi and 1.2 GPM, making it ideal for smaller projects such as cleaning patio, furniture, and washing your car. This lightweight electric pressure washer weighs just under 16 pounds and includes a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. It can be used vertically or horizontally for greater stability, and it comes with 25 and 40-degree quick connect tips for different spraying levels. It's a great value, but it's still powerful enough to clean siding, driveways, and more. The number 3 on the list is Karcher Pressure Washer. Want to wash your car without scrubbing it by hand? A pressure washer like the Karcher K5 will get the job done in no time. This electric power washer delivers up to 2,000 psi at 1.4 GPM, and it has an onboard detergent tank for easy soap application. The Karcher K5 has up to 40 times as much pressure as a garden hose, and it includes 2 wands, the Vario for everyday cleaning, and the Dirt Blaster for tough jobs. The Karcher K5 has a water-cooled induction motor, a system that can help the motor live 5 times longer, and it comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord. This 32-pound pressure washer is a great choice for washing cars, trucks, and SUVs, but it can also be used on tougher jobs like cleaning driveways. The number 2 on the list is Sunjoe Pressure Washer. Electric power washers are easier to maintain, no oil changes necessary, but the downside is you have to be in close proximity to an electrical outlet. One of the most highly rated electric models today is the Sunjoe Electric Pressure Washer, which delivers 2,030 psi at 1.76 GPM. This affordable unit is equipped with dual detergent tanks, and it comes with 5 quick connect spray tips to help you tackle all sorts of cleaning tasks. Our tester used this model to clean several small areas around her home, including patio furniture, a picket fence, siding, and a grill, noting that the device easily removed grease and dirt. The Sunjoe pressure washer features a 20-foot high-pressure hose, a garden hose adapter, a 34-inch extension wand, and a 35-foot power cord. The number 1 on the list is Simpson Pressure Washer. One of the best pressure washers on the market is the Simpson Cleaning Megashot Gas Pressure Washer. This powerful machine houses a Honda GC190 engine for reliable power, and it delivers a whopping 3,200 psi using 2.5 gallons per minute (GPM), making it ideal for use on your house, driveway, patio furniture, car, painted surfaces, and more. Our tester used the pressure washer to clean several areas around her home, including a deck, grill, driveway, and ATV, noting that the device is so powerful, it makes quick work of washing away all sorts of grime, but requires care when hosing down delicate surfaces such as old wood or siding. She also appreciated that while loud, this pressure washer isn't nearly as noisy as some other gas models.